Welcome to our channel. Today we start by asking a question. Why don't snakes bite food critics? Because they're afraid of biting into something more venomous than they are. Let's just say that if you're a food critic or even a culinary daredevil, you're in for a treat today. We're about to delve into the fascinating world of snake delicacies. Yes, you heard it right, snake delicacies. Now before you slither away, let's set the record straight. Snake cuisine isn't a random fad or a quirky trend. This is a culinary tradition steeped in history, dating back over 2,000 years. In Chinese culture, snake meat is considered not only a nutritious food but also a medicinal one. Respected for their ability to shed their skin, snakes symbolize rebirth and renewal, themes that carry over into the kitchen. From snake soup, a traditional dish savored in parts of China, to stir-frying or frying snake meat for a burst of flavor, these dishes have evolved through dynasties. Yet they're slowly disappearing due to declining snake populations. So while you may not find these dishes in your local takeaway, they're still a cherished part of many Chinese culinary traditions. Preparing snake dishes is no small feat. It requires selecting the right type of snake, considering factors like venomous versus non-venomous species and popular snake varieties. It's not for the faint-hearted, but with the right techniques, cleaning and cutting snake meat can be an adventure in itself. So why are we talking about snake delicacies? Well, apart from their rich cultural significance, they are also believed to have health benefits. And let's not forget, they offer a unique dining experience that's sure to challenge your palate and perhaps your courage. So buckle up, adventurous eaters. We're about to embark on a culinary journey that's sure to make your taste buds slither with excitement. Number 9. Snake soup. First up on our list is the classic snake soup, a delicacy dating back to the 3rd century BCE. This richly flavored dish has a heritage steeped in Chinese culture, where snake meat is not just food, but a symbol of rebirth and renewal. This reverence for snakes and their culinary use has evolved through dynasties, and is now a cherished tradition, particularly in parts of Hong Kong. The art of snake soup begins with the careful selection of the snake. Venomous or non-venomous? Each choice impacts the flavor and texture of the dish, but fear not, the preparation involves a meticulous cleaning and cutting process that ensures the snake is ready for the pot, sans any unwanted surprises. As for the soup itself, it's a simmering pot of snake meat and bones, combined with a medley of ingredients like chicken, mushrooms, and herbs. The result? A nutritious medicinal broth that's packed with flavors as diverse as its ingredients. But the snake soup isn't just about the taste, it's also about the experience. In Hong Kong, there are revered establishments, known as the Snake King restaurants, where the mastery of snake soup preparation is a skill passed down through generations. These culinary hotspots offer an authentic taste of this traditional winter dish, and trust me, it's a dining experience you don't want to miss. And let's not forget the health benefits. The snake soup is believed to be more than just a delectable dish. It's also a tonic, a medicinal supplement that warms up the body in the chilly winter months. So whether you're an adventurous eater or a history buff, the snake soup offers a fascinating glimpse into Chinese culinary culture. It's a dish that's been around for over 2,000 years, and it's not going anywhere anytime soon. This dish is not just a soup, it's a hearty meal that's been warming up winters for centuries. Number 8. Stir-fried snake. Let's move from the soup pot to the frying pan with our second dish, stir-fried snake. Now stir-frying is a cooking technique that's all about high heat and quick action, perfect for our slithery friend here. When it comes to stir-frying snake, the ingredients are simple yet flavorful. The snake meat is marinated with soy sauce, ginger, and garlic, providing a savory base that complements the unique taste of the snake. The meat is then flash-fried in a hot wok, sealing in the juices and giving it a nice crispy texture. It's then tossed with a variety of vegetables like bell peppers, onions, and mushrooms, adding a colorful crunch to the dish. Finally, a splash of rice wine and a sprinkle of white pepper round off the dish, elevating the flavors to another level. As the snake meat sizzles in the wok, it releases a rich aroma that's unlike any other. The result? A dish that's as visually appealing as it is delicious, with the snake meat taking center stage. The taste is said to be a unique combination of chicken and fish, a delicate flavor that's enhanced by the high-heat stir-fry method. Stir-fried snake, a dish that's all about the sizzle and the flavor. Number 7. Snake skewers. If you're a fan of barbecue, then our third dish, snake skewers, will be right up your alley. Now, snake skewers are not your run-of-the-mill barbecue fare. This is an exquisite dish that brings together the rich culinary traditions of Chinese cuisine with the primal joy of grilling. To prepare snake skewers, it all begins with a meticulous cleaning and cutting process. It's crucial to choose the right type of snake, considering factors like venomous versus non-venomous species. Once the snake meat is prepped, it's time for the seasoning. Snake meat is seasoned with a delightful array of spices and herbs, each lending a unique flavor profile to the skewers. The marinated meat is then threaded onto skewers, ready for the grill. The grilling process is an art in itself, requiring just the right amount of heat and time to ensure the snake meat is cooked to perfection. The final result, my friends, is a barbecue delicacy that's as flavorful as it is adventurous. Snake skewers, a barbecue treat that's sure to make your next cookout a hissing success. Number 6. Snake dumplings. Next, we have a dish that puts a slithery twist on a classic recipe, snake dumplings. Imagine the traditional dumpling, but with a filling that's a bit more daring. Snake meat, known for its unique texture and flavor, is finely chopped and mixed with a variety of aromatic herbs and spices. The preparation of the snake meat is a delicate process, with careful attention paid to selecting the right type of snake and ensuring it's cleaned and cut properly. Once the snake meat filling is prepared, it's enclosed in a thin dumpling wrapper. The dumplings are then steamed or boiled to perfection, resulting in a bite-sized treat that's both familiar and exotic. The snake meat gives the dumplings a distinct flavor, something between chicken and fish, but with a texture that's all its own. And there you have it, snake dumplings, a bite-sized delicacy that packs a big punch. This is a dish that's sure to surprise your palate and leave you curious for more. So, next time you're feeling adventurous in the kitchen, why not give snake dumplings a try? Number 5. Snake wine. Now let's shake things up with a potent brew. Snake wine. This powerful concoction dates back centuries with its roots firmly planted in the traditional Chinese medicine. A blend of snake essence and rice wine, snake wine is believed to hold a plethora of medicinal properties, from boosting vitality to curing ailments like rheumatism and back pain. The preparation of snake wine is a remarkable process. Venomous snakes, often cobras or vipers, are placed into a jar of rice wine and left to steep for months, sometimes even years. The venom is neutralized by the alcohol, transforming a dangerous predator into a therapeutic tipple. But it's not just about the snake. The wine itself is also important, often a high-quality rice wine, which helps to draw out and preserve the snake's medicinal properties. And lest we forget, this drink is not for the faint-hearted. It packs a punch stronger than a cobra's strike. Snake wine, a drink that's sure to add a bite to your next toast. Number 4. Snake pie. Our 7th dish is a unique take on a comfort food classic, snake pie. Now this isn't your grandma's apple pie, but it's just as meticulously prepared. First, the snake meat is carefully cleaned and cut into small pieces. These pieces are then marinated in a mix of aromatic herbs and spices that complement the distinct flavor of the snake meat. While that's resting, a pie crust is prepared, ready to cradle this exotic filling. The marinated snake meat is then cooked until tender, usually by stir-frying or simmering in a rich broth. This succulent filling is then tucked into the pie crust, and with a final layer of crust on top, it's off to the oven. Once it's golden and crispy on the outside, you're in for a real treat. The unique taste and texture of snake meat, combined with the familiar comfort of a pie, creates a culinary experience like no other. It's rich, it's flavorful, and it's got a bit of an adventurous kick. Snake pie, a comfort food that's sure to comfort the most adventurous of eaters. Number 3. Snake sashimi. For our sushi lovers, we have a raw treat, snake sashimi. Now, this is something that's not for the faint-hearted, but promises an adventure for the palate. The preparation of snake sashimi is meticulous and requires great skill. It starts with selecting the right type of snake, preferably non-venomous, which is then cleaned and expertly sliced into thin, almost translucent pieces. The taste of snake sashimi is unique and delicate, often described as a cross between chicken and fish, but with its own distinct flavor. It's served chilled, often with a side of soy sauce and wasabi, allowing the natural taste of the snake to shine. It's a dish that is both intriguing and exotic, offering a dining experience that pushes boundaries and challenges conventional tastes. So, if you're someone who's always on the lookout for something out of the ordinary, this might just be the dish for you. Snake sashimi, a raw delicacy that's sure to slither its way into your heart. Number 2. Snake egg rolls. Our 9th dish is a crunchy treat, snake egg rolls. This Chinese delicacy marries the unique flavor of snake meat with the familiar comfort of an egg roll. The snake meat is first cleaned and cut into thin, bite-sized pieces, a process that requires careful technique. It's then marinated in a blend of traditional Chinese spices, creating a symphony of flavors that will dance on your palate. The marinated snake meat is stir-fried until it's tender and juicy. Meanwhile, an assortment of vegetables, such as shredded cabbage, carrots, and bean sprouts, are prepared. The snake meat and vegetables are then wrapped in a thin egg roll wrapper, creating a perfect parcel of deliciousness. The egg rolls are then deep-fried until golden brown, ensuring a satisfying crunch with every bite. The result is an egg roll like no other. The snake meat provides a unique flavor profile that's unlike any other meat, while the crispy egg roll wrapper adds a delightful crunch. It's a perfect harmony of textures and flavors, a culinary adventure that's sure to thrill even the most adventurous eaters. Snake egg rolls, a crunchy delight that's sure to roll its way into your favorites. Number 1. Vegan snake soup. Finally, for our vegan friends, we have an adapted version of the classic vegan snake soup. Now you might be thinking, how exactly does one create a vegan version of a dish that's main ingredient is, well, meat? The answer lies in the innovative use of plant-based ingredients that mimic the texture and flavor of snake meat. It's a culinary challenge that's been tackled head-on in Hong Kong, a city known for its meat-loving culture. Traditional Cantonese restaurants that once showcased live seafood and shark fins are now adapting to changing consumer preferences, offering plant-based options of classic dishes. And yes, that includes snake soup. Just like its meat-based counterpart, vegan snake soup is a labor of love. The dish begins with a rich, hearty broth simmered to perfection with a variety of mushrooms and herbs. But instead of snake meat, this version uses a blend of plant-based proteins that have been carefully chosen and prepared to mimic the unique texture and flavor of snake. The result is a soup that's just as warming, just as comforting, and just as packed with flavor as the original. To those who've never tried snake soup, the idea of a vegan version might seem a bit out there. But for those in the know, it's a testament to the creativity and adaptability of the culinary world. It's proof that no dish is off-limits in the quest for sustainable, plant-based eating. Vegan snake soup is more than just a novelty, it's a symbol of change in a world that's becoming increasingly conscious of the impact our food choices have on the environment. And it's a reminder that being vegan doesn't mean missing out on culinary adventure. So, there you have it, vegan snake soup, because being vegan shouldn't mean you miss out on the adventure. Well, we've slithered our way through 10 incredible snake delicacies. From the simmering pots of snake soup, rich in history and medicinal qualities, to the sizzling stir-fried snake, each dish has told a unique tale of Chinese culinary traditions. We've delved into the world of snakes, not just as reptiles but as a source of nutrition and culinary exploration. The snake skewers offered us a bite-sized adventure while the snake dumplings wrapped us in layers of complex flavors. Our journey didn't stop there. We ventured into the realm of beverages with snake wine, a potent drink that combines tradition and the exotic. The snake pie, on the other hand, presented us with a fusion of East and West. And who could forget the snake sashimi, a dish that challenges the norms and pushes the boundaries of the culinary world. Meanwhile, the snake egg rolls gave us a crunchy, bite-sized treat that encapsulates the spirit of Chinese street food. But it wasn't all about meat. We also explored the growing trend toward plant-based alternatives in traditional cuisines. The vegan snake soup, a testament to the adaptability and evolution of food culture, showed us that even the most traditional of dishes can be reimagined for the modern palate. These dishes, each unique in their preparation and taste, offer more than just a meal. They provide a glimpse into the rich tapestry of Chinese culture, a culture that respects and incorporates nature in its cuisine. Whether it's the medicinal qualities of snake meat, the symbolism of rebirth and renewal, or the sheer thrill of trying something new, these dishes offer a unique culinary experience. Remember, adventure is the spice of life, and these dishes are sure to add some hiss to your culinary journey. For more food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.